guys, my name's Aaron and I'm a drummer from Perth, Australia. I've been playing the drums for over 15 years now and started using the Collision Drumstick brand a few years ago. What drew me in the first place was the different range of sizes that they offered and the testaments to the durability of these sticks. After having tried the different sizes and trying them for myself, I ultimately settled on the 5B size. These sticks felt the most comfortable for me. They gave me the best response around the drum kit and suited the style of music that I like to play most. So I immediately fell in love with these sticks and wanted to continue using them. Plus the simple and clean aesthetic of these sticks was just the icing on the cake. I liked it about these sticks. So I'm currently in 2 bands at the moment. I play in a cover band called Juniper. We play at different venues around town and different festivals. And I'm also a drummer for an up-and-coming Perth artist named Ches, who is killing it at the moment, supporting international artists and smashing out the releases. So please keep your eyes peeled and check her out if you haven't. What I love about these sticks, that durability, which I mentioned before, is something that I noticed straight away. These sticks felt just as good after using them for a month as if they were still brand new. I also love not just the quality of sticks that Collision create, but the quality of the community and brand that they've also created, which is why I decided really quickly that I wanted to be a part of this brand and a part of that community. I can see that they are passionate about what they do. I can see the support that they offer to the drummers that they're a part of their community, and I wanted to be a part of that as well. So I'm super stoked to be representing the Collision brand, and I hope to do it for the many years to come. Please enjoy this short clip of me rocking out to one of Chez's latest releases titled You're Not Invited.
Extra, run the credits back and take a photo. I forget, yeah, you can't even get in there. This body seems